Hi, I'm Joe Adzicki, inventor of the Revolution, and we have a lot of videos on basic and intermediate skills. Let's take this video up a notch with some advanced strategies for high wind flying. For these advanced skills, I'm assuming you have intermediate level of control. If you'd like to lock down those core skills, join us at Revolution Club 38, where we cover all 38 basic core skills. High wind conditions can actually be considered an advanced level, opposite of what most people think. Most people think that kites need a lot of wind to fly. Actually, the opposite is true for a Revolution. The Revolution is so light and efficient that you can fly in virtually all wind conditions, even zero wind. High winds can make your Revolution very sensitive. Therefore, precision control is more critical in high winds. Here are a few key rules to keep in mind. Rule number 1, if you're flying in high winds, get a vented Revolution model. There's a wide range of possibilities for vented models. The basic rule is in a lot of wind, you need more venting. For example, here's our extreme model of the RX. This is for extreme wind conditions. Rule number 2, speed control is the key skill to control your rev in high wind conditions. Use thumb pressure forward to slow, stop, and hover your rev. Rotation of the handles is a key skill for controlling the speed of your Revolution. Rule number 3, move your top leader lines out. And shift your hand down on the control handles to slow your rev and keep it under control. Now let's demonstrate 3 levels of control in high wind flying. Excellent. Start out slow and get a feel for the conditions, then gradually push the envelope. Remember, flying recklessly in these kind of conditions will only beat up your rev. Pick up a Revolution, join us at Revolution Club 38. Let's take your skills to the next level, and we'll see you on the field.